In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a YouTube video using Google Gemini. For anyone looking to quickly capture the essence of a YouTube video, Google Gemini provides an efficient and handy solution. So let's dive in and walk through this process from start to finish. To begin, you'll want to start by opening Google Gemini. This is your main tool for generating a succinct summary of the YouTube content you're interested in. Opening Gemini is the first and crucial step because it's the platform where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need the URL of the YouTube video that you wish to summarize. Go to YouTube and navigate to the video you're interested in. Once you have located it, copy the URL from the address bar. This link is essential because it allows Google Gemini to directly pull information about the video. Once you've copied the URL, you will paste it into your prompt within Google Gemini. This action is quite straightforward. Simply click on the input area in Gemini and utilize the paste function on your device, whether by right-clicking or using a keyboard shortcut. Pasting the URL here signals to Gemini exactly which video you're referring to. Now, it's important to give clear instructions to Google Gemini about what you need. After pasting the URL, it's time to frame a concise yet precise prompt. You might say something like, "Summarize this video for me." Clear instructions help ensure that the AI understands your specific request and focuses on generating a relevant response that meets your needs. Once your instruction is ready, the next step is to hit enter or send. This action submits your request to Google Gemini, prompting it to stop processing the video information. Within moments, you should see a summary generated by the AI highlighting the key points from the content. It's that simple and fast. You'll have the essentials of the video right at your fingertips. Finally, if you find the initial summary lacking in detail or clarity, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. You could inquire about specific sections of the video or any points that may need elaboration. This interactive approach ensures you extract the most comprehensive information possible from Google Gemini, providing you with a detailed understanding tailored to your queries. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage the power of Google Gemini to get succinct summaries of YouTube videos effortlessly. It's a remarkable way to save time and focus on what truly interests you without wading through lengthy content. Happy summarizing!